Hey folks, thanks for jumping on. Today I'm going to show you some of the updates that we've made to the UI in NextGen POS to make it easier for customers to find exactly what they're looking for when they need it, whether they are a veteran of the software or they've just started using it today. So what I'm going to start with here is a ticket that I've already created that has seafood pasta added. You can see I've removed tomato, added mushrooms, and some extra Parmesan cheese with the context item there. I want to focus in on a couple things. One, we have obviously moved the ticket to the right side of the screen here, so note that. But in addition to that, some of the buttons that used to be on the side of the screen, the left-hand side, have now been fixed to the bottom right side of the screen. And some of the ones that even weren't there have now been hidden under this Actions button. So this is the main thing I'm going to talk about today is some of the actions that we have here that make it easy for a user to immediately find exactly what they're looking for and complete whatever it is they need to do in the POS. So I'll start with ticket info here. As you can see here in ticket info, kind of similar to V1 in that you're able to change server, room and table, guest count, adjust the hold and promise time, as well as combine the ticket at the very bottom. So you can see here, if I were to do server, change, manager 1, go, now that has been changed to manager 1, and it's been reassigned on the right. So previously, we also had the customer details displayed when you were in ticket info, but now that's under this customer button here on the very right. There are some things that you can add, like fast cash or a quick tender, that would make that customer button actually appear under the actions menu instead. For example, if you have fast cash, that customer button will be replaced and it will say fast cash, and customer will be found under the actions menu at that time. Moving on to discounts, where you're able to apply a discount. These are ticket level discounts that you can apply. If you did want to apply an item level discount, that's still done under the item here. You could select discount and you're good to go. Very intuitive for the user and easy for them to understand. Moving on then, I'm going to skip refund, go to service charges and fees, which is really the same as discounts. I just go there, add whatever service charge or fee it is that I have, and that is immediately added to the ticket as well. Next one we have here is reprint. Reprint allows me to reprint all the receipts. You guys already know how this works, I'm sure, but that is now housed under the action button. So it used to be in the bottom left corner of the screen. Just make sure that they know that, and we keep that all consolidated there in that one area. Moving on to the very last one here at the bottom, change server. You've already seen this screen actually. I showed you at the very beginning me changing a server. Now I'm going to change it back to myself. And you can see on the right, the ticket is now assigned to me again. We moved that out of there so it's really quick and easy for servers to change and move tickets between themselves because that's a very common thing that we've heard happens towards the end of shifts. It's also done again on that ticket info screen. So again, as I said, everything's all consolidated down here in this very bottom right area. Everything's moved to the right, and whether you're a veteran or new to the software, you should be able to find exactly what you need. Thank you.